So when I updated my iPhone to iOS 26, I noticed that when I did a screen capture, it did a preview that was a full screen. Let me show you. So to do a screen capture, it's the volume up button and then quickly pressing the power button. Boom, there we go. And you can see it's got the whole screen there. And before, it used to come up with a little preview in the bottom left-hand corner. I can save this by tapping on the tick there at the top and then save to photos, or I could have deleted it as well if I didn't want to keep it. But I preferred the one in the bottom left-hand corner because one, I could do a screen capture, move to the next bit, screen capture, and it was quicker. So let me show you how you can go back to doing that. I need to go over to settings. So I'm here in settings. I'm going to go to the bottom here where it says search and just type in screen capture. I'll start typing it and look, there it is right at the top. Tap on it and there you can see right at the top, full screen previews is on. So let's switch it off. And let's see what happens now when I go back to Safari and do a screen capture. So here I am again. Let's do that screen capture. Boom, there it is. It goes to the bottom left-hand corner and I can just swipe left and that has now saved it into my photos. So let's just do that again. And then I can scroll down further, another one, and another one, and another one. And now I have got a whole bunch of them here. I can tap on them to open them up, but it's moved over to the left anyway, so it's saved. But I could also have just done that myself, just swipe left. So you can see it's quicker. So if you want to go back to the way that you used to do it, where you get the small preview in the bottom left-hand corner, it's just in settings under screen capture. If you do like this, please do like, share and subscribe and come back for more.